This is exactly what I needed these things for. If you need a good pair of fishing boots, I highly recommend these Kalkals. These things work great, and the grip on them is really good. Check that out, a wet, slick rock. Not slipping at all. Standing on the rock. Let's see if I can cast and hold the camera in one hand. Look at that, everybody. This is perfect. These things are bone dry, and they're very comfortable. The insoles are comfortable. Very flexible on the foot. Look at that. So let me go over some of the specs and just kind of like show you some of the features that, you know, it looks like a normal boot, but there is a lot of technology built into these things. And let me show you what I've found using these. You know, number one, that is very thick neoprene, and it feels extremely comfortable, and it holds warmth extremely well. Very impressive that they did that. These are 100% waterproof. They have a good pull tab right here. This is a very nice sewn in pull tab that looks to be, you know, really strong kind of webbing type material with logos on it. I love when a company goes out of their way and puts like good quality craftsmanship on even little things like that right there. There's a kick tab, so you know these kick tabs are great if you can use your other boot to push down and get them off. And then there's this non-slip grip on there. Mud, dirt, sand, whatever will fall out. See how wide they are? If you go real short with those, it's going to stick in there. And these grip extremely well. And speaking of that, look at how flexible they are. These things, look at that. There's not many boots that you can do that in. Looking at the insoles here, I don't know if I can pull the insole out. This insole was very comfortable as far as like having padding right there, and it gives us somewhat of an arch support right here with this little grip in the middle right there. I can tell you guys, I've used these and they are extremely comfortable, and just walking around through mud and around the edges of lakes and things like that, and it, you know, it can be just so muddy. I'll step in mud and I destroy my shoes. I used them walking around in the mud, you know, when I was out fishing. These are great for fishing, on the farm, hunters, trekking through the snow. Nothing but extremely good quality. They look great. They feel great. They function perfect. So everybody, I'll be using these off and on throughout my journeys, and I'm really looking forward to see what I can get into with a pair of boots like this. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, for the Kalkal rubber waterproof mid-calf boots. See y'all next video. Woo!